It was a big rain, so I don't know if this is going to work.
Oh yeah, right in the water.
Huh?
You're gonna put that right in the water.
Are you filming?
Yes. Way up.
Are you taping? Well, it looks like it's working. We're going to check through this little viewer. Yeah, it's working well. Wow, the heat's really piling up already. Don't rock it because it's not too...
How much gas did you spill?
No, I just took a...
It's all that grease on the floor.
Well, that's because I was taking a sample. Works very good, huh? So this is my setup. Paid a little too much for that can, but I know it doesn't leak. It was brand new.
You can smell the oil. It stinks.
It's working good. As you see, these cables are to be attached to lines to the tent so it doesn't flop over. I actually have doubled the height, but I didn't put the whole thing. It's just for testing. Okay, I'm going to go back down here and bring it down to 3. Oh shit. Pretty. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, that was pretty dumb. Do not leave your simple on top.
Or lighter.
So it's raging inside. As you see, the water that rained on my heater is bubbling up. Took me 3 hours with brake fluid to clean it all up. It probably needs another clean. I'm only, what, 3-4 feet away? No, 3 feet away. And I'm sweating like a biatch. What's funny about this thing, this regulator is made in British Columbia. So it looks like it's working well. We're just going to let it operate for a little while. It's working really well. As you saw, all I had to do was fill this up with gas. Here is the gauge. I had to select gas, GP4 gas. I also have GP4 8 and diesel. And as you see, there's numbers. I have it on a low rating, 3, and it's already bloody hot. I think I'll put it down to 2. And right now it's burning off all the crap that was on it. Grease, some of the fumes from my brake fluid. And I notice the top of my can is starting to get heat treated. So looks like it's working very well so far. And over here, when you operate this, you have to keep both doors open to start her up. This is the fuel supply line from the 20-liter fuel can. Over here you have a little shut-off valve, which has to be very careful. You take that cup that comes with the
So why do you have to be careful?
explosions, afro, whatever. Because this, once you turn it, it just flies. All the fuel comes out a lot, which I'm not going to do now.
So how do you stop it?
You turn it. At first, because it was brand new, I had a hard time turning it. I thought it was something busted. But then I just rocked it and it came loose right away, and then all this fuel came down. That's why I have fuel burns on my asphalt. And to start her up, you fill this up with the fuel coming out of here. And by the way, I thought like a bonehead the fuel comes out of here. No, it has a little hole here that pisses this way at a 45-degree angle. Well, depending how I have this. And
Is this easy to extinguish?
yeah. Are you pointing in the right place? Because you're not even looking.
Where are you looking at? Where do you want it pointed at?
And to start it, as you see, all I did was take that cup full of fuel, place it inside, and by the way, this is at number 2 right now. I'm going to put it down to 1. Actually, I'm on low now. It still looks like hell in there. All I have to do is take a shop towel, clean out the cup. I light it very gently with the Zippo, put it in, and the fire starts right away. It's very easy. And it comes with this auger to help you push it in. Also not to burn your ass. I will give courses on how to use this thing and how everybody will light it. And as you see, it's doing a very good job. And it's still burning out the crap. That's about it. Yeah, you can look inside. So for $95, I didn't do too badly, it looks like, after all that cleaning, but I will clean it again once it's nice and cold. And it looks like as it's burning, all the marks of rust and what have you is burning right off anyway, so maybe you don't have to clean it like I did, but the technician part of me told me to do it. So that's the auger.
Okay, that's hard to move.
No. Here's a pivot point.
No, I meant the little window. Okay, you can keep it open then.
And you put a pot there and a pot there. Actually, you could do a pizza on this, I guess. So again, a nice fire inside. So at least, guys, this year we're not gonna, is it on that thing?
Yeah?
We're not gonna freeze in Gatineau like I did in Marstar. I learned my lesson. This is cool if you do.
Such a
Take
thing
it off.
fall.
So I was lucky. I got all this for $95. I picked that up in Plattsburgh. So when we have our weekend training, we're going to learn how to use this. So everybody can set it up, not just me. Because already we have the tent to worry about, we have this to worry about. Probably, we don't know yet, but maybe Matt will do the cooking, maybe I will too. What's that? Yeah, me too. So that's about it, just to show you my new toy. Hopefully soon I will get my goddamn motor, and I will do a review of that. Okay, that's it, guys. Adios. And by the way, that's a Hunter H-45, but type 2 using fuel instead of hard fuels such as coal or wood. I prefer this. Also burns cleaning. Right now I notice when did this thing died? Oh, still working. Looks like all the crap burnt off.
Oh, good. You could turn it off and save gas.
Yes. So
Yes. Why don't you show us how to extinguish this thing?
that's a good question, actually. I guess first you put it on low, and then
First guy in space.
yes, I don't want to
Reactor
be
in
the
space.
first Canadian dash Portuguese in space. I'm still too heavy. It'll take too much fuel. But anyway, you go here. I hope it's not that hot.
Boy, it's really.
It says on, off, and I'm assuming that if I do this, it will choke.
Why do you open that?
Well, I still see flames.
Oh,
Maybe if I close the doors. I do hear it fizzling inside.
this takes some time for it to.
Well,
stop.
unfortunately, I did not read that part of the manual.
Watch out for the second part of the video.
No close up of me. Well, it is going down quite a bit. No, because it's hot.
Well, that was open, so it can't be that hot.
No. Okay, we're gonna leave
It's
it like
gonna
that.
fall.
Yeah, because I don't have much support. Oh yeah, when you guys start this, we're gonna have to have bricks under it, make sure it's solid. I guess another way of doing this is probably perhaps turning this right side up. Probably will help the process a little. As you see, there's no leaks. You have to watch out for leaks on this thing. Here where it connects. Well, it really went down. They probably lost like 30%. Because it has to burn off whatever excess. Well, I guess you could turn it off. I'm gonna put that. Yeah, okay, it's really going down. Yeah, it's really going down now.
You're gonna burn off your hair.
I don't got any hair.
Okay, the ones in your nose.
Okay, well that could go out of control. Wow, I can see the fire inside the way it comes out of the holes. Yeah, that's pretty cool. As you see here, a Hunter H-45 made in 2001. Got it in the States, $95. I didn't go wrong, finally, for the first time in my life.
You picked me.
Yeah, they don't have to know that.
Oh, well, it's still recording.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the measuring cup. It says here half a cup. It's kind of funny. It's an American piece. It says Echo made in China. Okay, it's dying down pretty good. Okay. Actually, I did not have it on. Shut off. Is it going down now? Okay, it's going down.
And that's just burning off.
Yeah,
stuff.
it's burning off whatever.
I thought it would have done that by now.
Well, I had it on high, so actually I was supposed to leave it for 5 minutes on high. so it could be primed, but I didn't go that long because I thought I wasn't gonna light it all night. And as you see on top, and there was no sparks coming out of it, so we don't have to worry about getting our tent on fire.
Well, you have to light it for 5 minutes. Why don't you do it now?
No, it's okay. That's it. That's the
It's
test.
been running for 15 minutes already.
Oh, it's dead. It's just a little. So as you see, I got a jerry can over at Pre-Fire in Belleuil. It's brand new. I didn't take a chance, pay a little more. I didn't want to. I'm also going to get some black ones for water because yeah. Get high on this stuff. Okay.
Well, that's 2 things you could use.
Okay, so just one little spark in there. I'm very happy with it. It's working bloody well. Now I'm gonna let it cool down. Oh, I'm hearing the metal pinging and panging. So, okay, cut it. Bye. First campfire.